I wonder what's on TV now.
The following message is transmitted of the request of the United Kingdom government. Some symbolics are infected by the Angry Night bomb. The suspect was an evil robot named Arch, and his brothers have ruled the world. Stay tuned for more updates.
They just broke through the shell! No! This is all we have!
We must never look back. We cannot stop until our mission is complete.
Will this be sufficient?
The future does not wait to be discovered. That's what history is for.
Your reassurance is noted. Let us continue.
Setback detected. Perhaps surrender is warranted.
That is not our call to make, fellow traveler. Now make haste, you two, and we are sure to prevail!
Breaking news. A chaotic event was completely started, and for on, everyone was panicking after the chaos. We are going to tell our correspondent 51. 51, are you there?
Of course, Alice Hamilton. I am here at the British town. As you can see, the people are starting to run. What happened? But then, they got killed by the red slug. But then, oh god, I saw the red slug. I need to get back home right now.
What? I need to do something to get this infection stopped. I need to tell me Phone 4 about this. Hey, Phone 4, I gotta tell you something. What? What do you mean you want to tell me something? What in the world happened? Let's see what's on TV.
Breaking news. 51 is found dead after getting back home, but then, 51 was alive after going home. After then, an unnamed citizen was found dead after calling the police. Let's listen to the audio.
Hello? The British police speaking?
Hi. Officer, my name is Gordon. I am very scared. What happened?
Oh, tell me, what happened?
I was playing Grand Theft Auto 5, all of a sudden, I heard knocking at my door, until, when I opened the door, I saw nothing.
So you aren't see nothing?
Yes, I am a little bit scared now, but then, oh god, I heard a loud noise. Hurry up! Or...
God. I lost him.
Now that Alphaville has been destroyed for the second time, I shall now watch as the cute and innocent symbolics burn and die in pain. Nothing can stop me now. Nothing can. Wait, what the fuck?
The following message is transmitted of the request of the United Kingdom government. Arch's brothers were defeated by the Symbolics, and the Ultra Arch was defeated by Strinaterius. An archaic Greek symbolic was a non-binary member. Stay tuned for more updates.